Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with safety and verification. With the engine cold, open the reservoir and confirm the coolant reads between the MIN and MAX marks. Next, press hoses gently to find soft spots and visually inspect clamps and the radiator cap for leaks. These cause pressure loss and overheating. Once done, position a catch pan under the drain and prepare a 50/50 coolant mix and a funnel. This reduces air pockets, protects metals, and ensures consistent boiling and freeze points as you proceed. You drain the system through the radiator petcock, direct fluid into a labeled container for proper disposal. Once drained, run distilled water through the radiator until it exits clear. This removes scale and deposits that reduce heat transfer. While flushing, remove and inspect the thermostat and test for proper spring action. A sticking thermostat causes overheating. Also check the water pump for bearing play and leaks. A failing pump reduces flow and causes hot spots in the block. Replace components with correct torque and new gas. You refill using the recommended 50/50 coolant. Pour slowly to minimize air pockets and fill to the MAX mark. Once filled, run the engine and open the heater to circulate coolant through the core. Watch the temperature reach about 90 degrees C so the thermostat opens and trapped air can escape. Make sure to top off the reservoir after several heat cycles. If the system still loses fluid or overheats, use a pressure tester to pressurize the system. This reveals slow leaks at hoses, seals, or the radiator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.